Reliable heating and air. With a name like Reliable, you'd better be a company that folks can count on. Well, since 1978, families and businesses around Metro Atlanta have been relying on Dan and Daniel Jape's Reliable family to keep conditions just right. Reliable refers to the full line of dependable, efficient Trane and other heating and cooling products they carry. Reliable refers to Atlanta's only true 24/7 fast, dependable service delivered by trained comfort specialists. Reliable refers to the honest, fair pricing and the longest parts and labor guarantee around. By sticking to their commitment to 100% customer satisfaction with a neighborly, personal touch, the Japes have grown Reliable Heating and Air into one of the most respected and well-known heating and air conditioning contractors in the Southeast. They're also Atlanta's leader in green energy heating and air.
Here at Reliable, I think one of the big differences is that we really care. We take our business very personally. I've worked 33 years to build the business to where it is today, and we want you to be 100% satisfied with all services provided by Reliable.
Reliable's home to almost 100 highly trained technicians, and most of them have been with us for years. With that being said, Dad and I find it very important to stay involved in the day-to-day operations to make sure that our customers are served exactly the way that we want it. We want, as owners, to make sure that you understand that we hold ourselves accountable.
Reliable Heating and Air's standard of excellence is set pretty darn high. The Japes know that exceeding expectations has to start with offering the very best in high-efficiency heating and cooling products to fit any need or budget. Reliable sells and services all major brands, but years of experience has led them to recommend one manufacturer that stands above the rest. That name is Trane. Trane is known for durable, tough, hard-to-stop equipment. There are more expensive units, but Trane is the most dependable product in the market when it comes to lifespan, efficiency, and most importantly, not breaking down.
We're extremely proud to be designated as a Trane Comfort Specialist. A Comfort Specialist is an elite dealer that Trane designates as one of their very best.
Another point of pride is Reliable's attention to educating customers.
We understand that there's no way a homeowner can be an expert when it comes to HVAC installation and maintenance. We have to take the time to explain differences in equipment, reasons for maintenance and repair, and what's going to best meet their particular needs. They need to be empowered to make an informed decision about their biggest investment, their home.
I was very happy with the installation, and I thought the pricing was fair. But I also realized that if we ever had a problem, and we had a couple issues, Reliable was immediately came out, no questions asked, took a look at it and repaired everything to our satisfaction. So I definitely would use Reliable again and highly recommend them.
Because this is a company that really works at it, and the at it is the 100% customer satisfaction thing. That it really, it shows. It just jumps off the page, and that's unlike, most others, and that's why, I knew that in the back of my mind when I went back to them to begin with, that had been Dan Jape's thing from 1978. It still is. He's still playing the game the old-fashioned way still, and it works.
One thing that will be explained is the variety of product solutions available to you. The answer isn't necessarily the biggest or the smallest, the least expensive or the most expensive. Your Reliable representative will thoroughly examine your situation and help you determine the product that is just right for you. Cooling systems are compared by their capacity or ability to remove heat from your space and their SEER, or Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. With every SEER increase from a rating of 13 to 20, you'll save 5 to 10% on electricity consumption. Replacing your system could save up to 50% on your total energy bill. Air conditioners are described as single-speed or two-speed. Single-speed units produce the same amount of heat removal all the time, regardless of how hot and muggy it is outside. Two-speed units are more efficient because they have the ability to change the amount of cooling capacity they produce, depending on how hot it is. Furnaces are either single-stage, two-stage, or variable speed. Single-stage units run wide open for a period of time. They shut on and off frequently. Two-stage furnaces even out the temperature swing by running longer on a low setting, but can produce slightly higher electric bills. Variable speed furnaces are the best heating source today. They convert AC current to DC current to keep temperatures even and electricity consumption significantly lower. The most exciting feature for a humid climate like Georgia is that every variable speed system has standard built-in dehumidification. People often set the thermostat lower in the summer to get comfortable, while what they really need to do is extract more moisture. The variable speed option takes care of this and does it automatically. Other systems to heat and cool include heat pumps and air handlers. Heat pumps are simply air conditioners that are capable of running in reverse to extract heat from outside and pump it inside. They can be combined with gas or electric furnaces or with air handlers, which are electric furnaces with integrated cooling heating coils. If you'd like, the Reliable team can install a zoning system, so you can separately control the heating and cooling in different rooms. Adding motorized dampers or doors in the ductwork makes this possible. Reliable Heating and Air also sells and installs a wide range of filters, humidifiers, dehumidification systems, digital programmable and non-programmable thermostats, UV lights that kill and prevent airborne bacteria, mold, and mold spores, and even whole house air cleaners that remove 99.8% of airborne allergens and dust particles from the air you and your family breathe. Some HEPA air cleaners are so efficient they even remove gases, smoke, viruses, and influenza. Reliable Heating and Air stocks many brands of accessories, but Aprilaire and Honeywell have proven to be the most reliable. Dan is so confident in the quality of workmanship and equipment Reliable installs, he includes a lifetime warranty on all new complete Trane comfort systems. All you have to do is maintain your annual preferred customer agreement, of which the first year is complimentary. Reliable's 10-year parts and labor warranty on all new Trane equipment can't be beat.
As reliable as the systems we install are, all heating and cooling units need preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance is a fantastic way to ensure that the system is going to use less energy, extend the lifespan of the system, and keep it running just right.
Reliable's tune-up is Atlanta's most complete tune-up. It includes all of the following services: outdoor condenser coil cleaning, clean condensation drain, clean and cycle condensation pump, check refrigerant pressures, measure temperature drop across the coil, clean and adjust the contactors, test capacitor, clean or replace air filters, inspect and adjust blower components, test safety controls, test pressure switches and limits, measure volts and amps on the motors, clean and adjust burner assembly, monitor flue draft, test carbon monoxide, test heat exchanger for cracks and leaks, vacuum out the heat exchanger, measure temperature rise, and measure gas pressure.
Our professional, experienced, and friendly service department offers around-the-clock emergency service, routine service, as well as spring and fall preventative maintenance tune-ups on all makes and models. Our NATE certified technicians have an average of over 10 years of experience in the HVAC industry. They are paid a fair hourly wage, not a commission like most in our industry, so you will not get any high-pressure sales tactics or too good to be true gimmicks from Reliable. Just fairness and respect.
Check us out on kudzu.com, and when you're in need for heating and cooling services, you'll see why thousands of your friends and neighbors have chosen Reliable Heating and Air to be their contractor of choice.
Reliable air, it's always just right.